Hi guys, so today I'm going to share my Monsoon Skincare Routine, which is very simple, and it just contains all natural and Ayurvedic skincare products along with a DIY scrub cum mask. So let's get started. First thing first, we have to drink water. Make sure to drink adequate water throughout the day to keep yourself and your skin hydrated, because during monsoons it gets very humid and we sweat a lot, so we have to maintain it. Next is a DIY scrub cum mask. I'm using oats, coarsely grinded oats, some honey. I'm going to mix these together and I'm going to scrub my skin with it. So oats soaks up excess oil and treats acne. It also removes dead skin cells and moisturizes skin. And honey has antibacterial properties, which means it's really good for acne prone skin and can speed up skin's healing process. So just apply this mask and rub for good half a minute to a minute, and then wash it off with plain water, and you will have a smoother, brighter looking skin. So this mask is suitable for all skin types. Next is using pure rose water. This is my favorite step, and I use pure rose water throughout the day. I'm using Sadhev rose water, which is 100% pure and organic. So rose water has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it's really good if your skin is inflamed or irritated. It reduces acne, controls oil, which makes it a perfect toner for all skin types. And I have been using rose water for almost 5 to 7 years now. This one is really good. It smells amazing. Next is apply moisturizing gel. During humid hot weathers, I prefer gel-based moisturizers, and I'm using Sadhev's Aloe Vera and Saffron gel, which is really amazing. It smells really amazing. It has pure aloe vera gel and organic Kumkumadi Tailam, which is saffron oil. It brightens and rejuvenates the skin, heals and hydrates. And the formula here is rich in vitamin E, C, beta carotene and natural oils. So this is a 100% natural, non-greasy gel, which can also be used on small cuts and wounds. And this is suitable for all skin types, especially if you dislike heavy moisturizers during humid months. You should give this a shot. This is a beautiful gel. I personally really love it. Never forget your sunscreen, even if it's raining outside. So I'm using Sadhev's Sunscreen today, which is again an Ayurvedic formulation. It has licorice extracts, zinc oxide. The formula has a very beautiful, very light whipped texture. Make sure to apply adequate amount of sunscreen. It has SPF 30 and it doesn't leave a white cast, and the best part, it's non-greasy, non-sticky. It just blends into the skin. Can you see? There is no white cast. So this is a very simple and doable skincare routine when weather is humid and you do not want to put too much on your skin. All the skincare products that I've shown you in today's video are from Sadhev, which is a luxury Ayurveda personal care brand from the Tailam group. It's a cruelty-free brand and it's of course made in India. And they also plant a tree on every purchase. Sadhev ethically sources ingredients for all their products from their own organic farm called Sadhevan. All the products shown in today's video will be linked in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.